ine mkwainde totera kuli bachamani abatumona pantu akubula bachamani kula tulolesha imbine fitumbi fimbinga na muisa mukufisanga ocho ndeto tere cha number 1 pantu bali abakutusakamana so kabiro cho ndelo mbako mwebuteko mutwafwe pantu tuli limbi mukasanga fitumbi ine fipe fyonse fili munganda imfiro okupa kufunisha nde ingira shani ni kwisoko na rangirira amenshi nyuma munganda nomba na rafisenda shani fipe na lusa
natupepe mwelesa twa mitotela twa misumbula twa michindi kakana besa cholo wa mtende mwelesa twa mitotela pali chonse chichitike kana besa mwelesa pantu imwe echo mwasosa tata tachiwela fyobusha ukuba po kwenu kana besa cholo wa mtende mufibine fisuma tuletotele shina lyenu nangu fichitike fitata lekeni shina lyenu lisumbulwe tapali umbyo twinga kwata okulombo kuchira palimwe pantu kaluira wesuni mwe wakana besa cholo wa mtende kaindero mba mwelesa ndikana besa na pakuingira mu mitima tata abatusungire pakati akainwe nchende mwelesa lekeni mubatungirire mwelesa lekeni mubabakirire mwelesa lekeni mubalunjire kwa mapalo tata kana besa cholo wa mtende na alomba fyonse fikupitira mu ishineri aba Yesu Kristo katura wespe na tuibirirwa tatukwete fya kuchita nangu ifiri fyonse pala pene po twaikere ilia ine chance otwakweta kwikala pala pene inchito tatwa kwa tatu waya fi so ero twakweta ali amaploti twale kwa takotupia nomba pali ino nsha tatukwete na paku mokuboko nangu kuikala tulaikaliro lusero akwalesa efa twakwa toto twine twale nangu tatulile vofine but nishtwalishwa tinatukwatenganda nomba pata tukwete neshinchiro nefya kuchita tatukwete.
We had 97 families initially who were very, very critical. We immediately moved those families into churches. And that was last week. But as the day of worship was quickly approaching, we needed to find another place where we could take them. The ultimate transit site which we have planned for here is behind Helen Kaunda Secondary School grounds, but that site in itself is not yet ready. So we needed to find another, again temporal place which we could place our people, which is at the Old Beach Hotel and Kite. So we have 97 families there who are waiting for us to finish the transit site and before we move them. Currently, we have received from your office 44 of those tents are already erected. Now obviously the number of people that I'm talking about, the 50 tents, will not be adequate.
Natotera kuri ba president wesu bachagwarumu twatotera muri ntunguru shiyaruse imwe ni mwebo mweba tutangete twalifye mumeshi tuleibila mumeshi imwe mwatufunya ukafuwa kutuleta kuno tulifye bashi yenu tulekunkula ntunguru shishonte.
Tatwa ikere buna manda yalipona kuna tule chururuka fefine na mtu afwa lyonse muletu afwa totela pali ububu bwafuilisho mukwa ilesa apale
ndi mu ikashiwa kwa musonda tule totela kubuteko pacho bwachita ukutwafa mu musangwefi tatwalesha tekera kuti batwafa mu musangwefi basimenti aba batupela amalata na fyonse feno bunga ala tule totela limbika ndale.
turefwa tumono obwafya obumukwete isho twala butwisha kanchezo twendele okutira mwakuleka kupono pene panono ubuteko bwaba president lungu wala konkanya poku mifwaile fyakulya so natumiletela obunga natumiletela kapenta natumiletela na chilemba chilanganda mwakulapo ka 25 kg ya bunga pakutira chubu bwafya winga chitashani winga chepa kwae
Angara sabi.
ngana na bakomesha bamunumvula bonse nentungurusha boshonse tureti apata pali pa kudekalesale mipala nefe ashara ba president wesu bantu bungana bakuna tuasenda tata bakatubikire podaka kali upuche kalupia tata wesu bwalishi bafye wasamo tumala sata bantu bunga no ba kuipika bulado tumala shawabika pampa bulana tusoti
na mubwesha fe twaipisha imwe ukutira mutulole sheko so tulinensansa sana pabwasuko bwenu ukutira inshitei kalambeli abantu balelila tuletema pantu muleyafwa abantu
ebo twasala okubika muri kire kipuna bafyashi beswaini so bali mono kwebati chishinka kanga fweko abantu besu ukubapera ko bunga uwakwebati nankuli abali yako nabo bene so bali asukwa ukwipusha kwenu ukupitsira mu office ya vice president muri DMMU muri disaster management no kwebati batutumina obunga ngo butwaleta paushikubwa lero
tuletotela bakateka wacharo baedika chagwarungu pakuti fwema freedom fighters na ifwe twale tuishika kunu moku nangula twale pita namukita organize amabumba yonse amazonsi yonse abantu abengi bala tuishika kutila mule tuchusha fieta pana ngufika chitika nombe twamfile yilandwe twashe mukolosha abakalamba yosopa district twalite mwanga stratifino mba abantu bala tampo kumundu ya chini ba present tabatolekeresha yo kabiri ukonkesha po ndeto telesi office ya ba DC pantu nabo chini kuna efe bapokelero rusaba kufa kuri ba present nabo babika in action pakuti amazon yonse tukumane
kwena pabusiku bwa lelo natotela sana pamulandu wako tifyo natotela pakusangana FPL omwewo kwena natotela pali government pali wakateka bonsa baleta 15 bati natotela nafukama nalala pansi bangafuirisha ko nabana balwele panganda bakulatwala ko uyantansi ninkwata ko mulwele kwena natotela
natota maningi pakuti batwafwe ko baonelebo kuti toto akudi abatupela techi tuponte pantu utatasha patunini pafingite chatashepo panofwebo twatotela kuno kwalupia
ane twatota pachakuve vichi vatwafwako ukwevati nakavili tata utatota patunini na pafingite takatotapo lomba mwane twatota kwakuti ndiona mkankanya kwangi pakuti ndimulamba
atota mwani apya kuti pakumpera potuvunga nakuleria insala pakuti tukumane shifwe vakekurukira shupa pano kiashupira kasara tita palipona kashuka epo tuwapengera pano kani tuwakumba pole tuwakuvika momulia
natotera sana kuno kunaisa nako natotera sana kusangana mwatupera ko tuwabunga leo ndi mulwendo napenguluka ichavipa ko changu chinabona ko chakovate ko shoku ya mukupula tu sauti tetukuwete potuli bako tetungaifunya kwisenderama ya kutatu sauti kupula kumunobe mongo uyu kuya mukupulako natotera sana kanshi nako kuno nabona bwino nebo nengomba ne ndashiana nebo ne kunafuma na ndashiana nebo nabona ko natotera nalesa hemeni natasha sana natasha kala yafwa lero takwa kusaka lembulana nomba sauti mwe mwatotana sauti nkoshiana tande nkoshiana nekawira ne chuyane ene mboloma nafuma kwa mboloma nate mwasana kwa bakituleria kwefya musango efi ubuteko ninsinga bora kolekete efi ni kyakuwa masana ona totela mwane pona pera tulikaleza lakabi ni satu alikala nombe fitu akule ikutali onse ayiko nokuleka mule tupera pefye pano makale tena salati nebo natokwa kuti nebo sina nini safi kapi
naleta okutotela pakuti pakupokelela obupe okufuma ku ofisi ya president weso abaletuteka twasangalala pakuti chine baba nokutwibukisha afwe bantu babo kabiri kuleta okutotela ku ofisi ya ba MP oko baisa kabiri nokutusakamana okutuletele fyakulya pamopene na ofisi ya ba kansela na bali akampani mukachaka bulwendobo fwense kuno twabane kusangalala okulabala kwesati ifi mweba buteko mutwalire okutwanuka muri fyonse fitule kwata okushingwana na fyo wafya kuno ko tuikalire
our national coordinator and our provincial permanent secretary. We are happy that the new meal which has been reduced by His Excellency, the President, Dr. Edgar Changwarugu, is reaching the intended purpose of the vulnerable people.
Kwiminako bachirolo mukalamba ba Joseph Chabala nemfumu ba Chief Chwala twalango okutasha sana pafyo ba president bachita kwafuirisha kutwafuirishako kulingana na chipo chintu twapitamo mwatutashako kuli ba president okuti kwena twatotera sana pamonga amenso ya mfumu ya kuno ku Chibukampu okutwafuirishako kuli abakote abamukamfuirwa kwena kuli chipo amatabata ya uminina twatiricha kutasha sana okuti apashiri pakuleka ba president wesu kutuma twalira ko kutasha.
These are people that have been approaching and they have been so receptive, and hence they considered Kaflavita also to benefit. This is not the first center, we have been giving almost for the past 2 weeks, but today I did request that the office of the DMMU coordinator should also at least accompany me to witness the distribution of the same stuff. Of course, when you look at the population and the vastness of Kaflavita, for me I would say if we had even 6 1,000 plus, I think a lot of vulnerable families would benefit. I received the first slot was 250, the second slot was again 250, and then the last one or the third one was 1,200.
This program started way back last year in November, where it will be a continuous process and a program in which we'll be able to be identifying the vulnerable groups in our communities who will be benefiting from what His Excellency the President had given us. So we are really very, very thankful to His Excellency the President, Dr. Edgar Lungu, for having remembered all his people. Everyone will be able to receive this kind of help throughout Copper Belt.
Totera sana ku Buteko babomba emirimu ikalamba sana ero bafa fwe balanda fwe bachula muno mukyalo twaba bakutotera mu Buteko bonse twatotera mwanti Kikwete ine 52 abana bonse balipo okufa tata
ubikashina bushupa ubunga like ubunga bubwe wakushita nangwa chiwanu mikitabo waisa takuwa baye olo sala dibari runda malasha fya kuli afa fshupile fya pa fya fine ndira fya tubwadi mkwai.
As government, we have decided to also, give out social protection in form of mealie meal through the disaster management units, which we are calling urban vulnerability program. You've seen the government going into the rural areas, giving out social cash transfer and giving all other social protection programs. But you've seen that even here in our urban areas, we've got old women like you've seen, that we begin to see how we can help them circumvent the hard economic situations. So even them, we are giving them mealie meal, and we'll be giving them the social cash transfer as well, so that we can help our people as we go along. We are targeting the aged, as you can see, most of them are above 60, above 50, 55. We are also targeting widows. We are also targeting orphans. So we put our people through DMMU to go door to door to register the people that are vulnerable, and those are the people that we are targeting as government.
His Excellency the President of the Republic of Zambia, that is always on top of things across the country on issues of disaster. I equally want to commend Her Honor the Vice President, the Minister herself, and the National Coordinator, that you have been exceptional across the board to make sure that you make the work of the people across the country lighter and easier. Globally, we are compounded with issues of climate change. And the song of the President is saying, let us attach a lot of importance and premium to this issue and simply control the issues of climate change. Yes, we have natural disasters, at the same time we've got man-made disasters. That let the council authorities plan well across the province. And therefore, I'm giving a very firm and solid directive that will not accept any sort of a council, a pedigree of a council, to start allocating plots closer to the rivers across the province, whether it is in Kitwe, in Chilawombwe, in Kalulushi, in Chambeshi, in Lufanyama, Mpongwe, Masaiti, Ndola. We don't want to see such a trend. And that's the song of the president. The allowance for one to be given a plot is about 50 meters away from the river. And therefore it is important, it is necessary, and of high significance that we simply follow as council officials. This is not to condemn any council, but we need to have a permanent solution to this. This is very critical for the nation. We don't want to be sorting out issues in a temporary basis. We want to have permanent solutions across the country. It becomes extremely expensive for us to be spending every single day for issues that can be controlled at the initial stage. But may I commend the national coordinator that is always on board. We have a series of families that have been affected, but you're always on hand, national coordinator. This is how it should be. That is true leadership. I can see passion, I can see order in you. I have seen your director also all over the country, who is in charge of special duties, who is seated there in the office of the vice president. This is how it should be.